In today's video, I'll show you how to install Facebook on your iPhone. Whether you're setting up Facebook for the first time or reinstalling it on a new device, this guide will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Before we jump into installing Facebook, let's make sure everything is ready. Make sure you have a stable internet connection through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Facebook requires about 200 megabytes for installation, so ensure you have enough space. Facebook works on most iOS versions, but having the latest iOS version can improve performance. With these checks out of the way, let's move on to the installation. Here's how to install Facebook from the App Store. Find and open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on the search icon from the bottom. In the search bar at the top, type Facebook, and tap Search. Look for the official Facebook app with the blue icon. Once you find the app, tap the Get button. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password, or you can use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the download. Once the download and installation are complete, tap Open to launch Facebook. And that's it. Facebook is now installed on your iPhone. Now that Facebook is installed, you can set up an account if you're new to Facebook. If you already have an account, skip to the login instructions. Now you're all set to start using Facebook on your iPhone. And that's it. You're ready to use Facebook on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tech tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with friends on Facebook.